In this video, we're going to be looking at adding and subtracting mixed number fractions. So first of all, you'll notice we've got a mixed number fraction where we've got 1 3/4, add 2 1/3. We need to turn these mixed number fractions into improper fractions first. So you do 1 times 4 and then add the 3. So we've got 7/4. Then we add in 2 times 3, add the 1, giving us 7/3. Now when we add fractions, we need to have the same denominator. That means that I need to get these denominators to become 12. I multiply this fraction by 3, so I multiply the 7 by 3. That gives me 21. I multiply this fraction by 4, so I multiply this one by 4 as well, giving me 28. So 21 add 28 is 49/12. If you can simplify at this point, then simplify. If not, then we turn it back into a mixed number fraction. How many times does 12 go into 49? It goes in 4 times. 4 times 12 we know is 48, so there's 1 left over, and that's over the 12. With this one, we're doing 3 times 5, which is 15, add the 1, which is 16/5. And then we've got 4 times 6, which is 24, add the 5, giving us 29/6. I need to make these the same denominator, so that'll be 30 and 30. This fraction I multiply by 6, so I multiply 16 by 6, so that gives me 96. I multiply this one by 5, so I multiply 29 by 5, which gives me 145. When I add those together, that gives me 241/36. So turning that into a mixed number fraction, 36 goes into 241 6 times, and then it's 25/36 remaining. When we subtract fractions, we do it exactly the same. So we'll do 4 times 2, add the 1, giving me 9/2. And I'm taking away 2 times 5 is 10, add the 4 is 14/5. I need to make these the same denominator, so I'm going to have 10 as my denominator. Multiply this by 5, so multiply the 9 by 5, that's 45. Multiply by 2, multiply by 2, so that's 28. So 45, take away the 28, gives me 17/10. Turning that into a mixed number fraction, 10 goes into 17 once, and then there's 7/10 remaining. Pause the video and have a go at this next one, and then come back and check your answer. So doing it correctly, we should have 44/12. Now I'm going to simplify at this point. I'm going to divide both these numbers by 4, so that will then give me 11/3. Now I've simplified, I can turn it into a mixed number fraction. 3 goes into 11 3 times, and then there's 2/3 remaining.